Hey everybody, we got a new parts haul in. This time it's from Mini Spares, a well-known company if you're in the mini community. I've already took the liberty of cutting the box open to save time. Let's go through this box and we'll see what we got. Starting off, we have a brake line, HD24 brake pipe to regulator valve, dry suspension. Second off, we have the brake line for the whole car that goes front to rear. Now looking at that don't look that big, but I guess that fits it. Mini or small. Third thing on the list, we have, this is the brake front cross pipe. So this goes across the front of the subframe. We have high-low set number 1 and high-low set number 2. We have brake line that has no marking on it. I don't know exactly what this is. We'll have to figure that out when I go through the parts list. Then we have a variety of brake lines. We have a brake pipe to master cylinder. We have a brake pipe hose to rear cylinder all dry. So that's for the rear subframe. This doesn't have a part number on it, but looking at it, it's for the rear. I believe it's the one that goes from the union to the rear pipe. This one here is a brake pipe hose, rear cylinder all dry. We have a handy dandy banjo clip for the, or banjo bolt for the brake light switch. We have 2 screws. I'm not 100% sure what they are, but they look like the ones that go to the front bump stop on the subframe. And here is the front bump stops. These are the ones that goes on underneath the top arm to keep the thing from smacking down. Okay, we have two nuts and 2 washers for the brake hoses on the front. We have a variety of nuts and bolts and washers. I believe those are for the, I know the washers are for just random whatever. And then I think the bolts was originally ordered for the strut mounts, but I did not end up getting the strut mounts on this order. So I'll just keep those until, or use them for something else. Random washer for something, I don't know what that's for. Here's another random copper washer for some brake line that I'm not 100% sure what's for. I have 2 front top arm rebuild kits. Here's 2 rear brake hoses. I have 2 tie rods. Genuine looking anyway. I have the rubber bushings for the bottom arm on the front suspension. I have the bottom arm pins that these bushings go in. This, I'm not 100% sure what it is, but I believe it's probably the high-low pins for the rear. Yeah, that's what they are, the high-low pins for the rear. I have 1 bump stop for the subframe, 2 bump stop for the subframe. I have 2 nylock washers and 4 nuts, or 2 nylock nuts and 4 regular nuts. I think those go to the bump stop. This has got the thing ripped off of it. This is the 2-way union for the subframe. I got random copper washers for all the brake hoses. Here's the 2 grease fittings for the top arm. These are the 2 pins for the top arm that the shock mount mounts to. This is the brake light switch. And then these, last but not least, are the front brake hoses. And that is it. That is my haul for the week. As you can tell, what we're actually getting ready to work on is the front subframe. I did order a couple of the rear subframe stuff, but that's only because I was ordering in that list of stuff at the time. I appreciate you, and make sure you subscribe and like and hit the bell and all that good stuff. And some of you guys that's out there watching that aren't subscribed, do me a favor and hit me a subscribe. I'd like to see at least 50 subscribers by the end of the month. That'd be cool. Y'all have a good night.